Everybody, Scott Miller with Wintrust Mortgage. Yep, the sale of our the merger with River City Mortgage and Wintrust has finally been was completed back in the middle part of April. Still going through some of the transition. Been a little bit more challenging than I thought. A little bit different going from local lender and with our systems, even though very similar. Obviously, we're working with now a big bank and a little bit more security that they have and different issues that we're working through. But overall, very good. We have a lot more loan programs available, and I will get into those later. But we do have the 203K, which is a loan that allows you to do construction after closing or do home improvements. We have both the streamline and the full, and there's some differences on those. Those are good for purchases or refinancing. So if you want to refinance and do some home repair, that might be a loan for you. And then the other big one is the reverse mortgage, a more popular loan as the baby boomers are getting a little bit older and maybe have some equity in their home, or they want to find a way to stop making their house payments or take advantage of their equity and use that. So some good loans for people. We're extremely excited about having that opportunity and just being more services that we can offer you. But I want to just kind of give you an update on the market and tell you what's going on. First, I'd like to wish every mother and mom to be a happy upcoming Mother's Day. I hope you have a safe day, and don't forget your moms. You can still order fruit and or flowers to be delivered in time for those of you that may have waited to the very last minute to do that. So I'm in that category, but you still have time. What's going on in the market right now? The preliminary numbers, unemployment numbers come out tomorrow, but the preliminary is expected to be higher than what they originally thought, so that's not positive. The Dow Jones, as I'm doing this video, at about 12:30 on Thursday, the Dow was down about 50 points, so that's going to have a positive reaction to the interest rates, mortgage interest rates, but not very good for our retirement accounts. But so that's what's going on. And then also, if, neither the Fed didn't raise rates, nor did the European banks. However, Bernanke is agreeing to printing more money, and that's going to be a big concern, and that's what we're going to watch in the next in the upcoming third and fourth quarter of 2011 is the impact that has. Right now, the American dollar is the world reserve, or currency world reserve for the world, and the currency reserve for the world. Sorry, and if that can, we're the only country that can print it. So that is a concern to other countries that are using that as their reserve. If we continue to print dollars, then that weakens the dollar. So that's going to be a concern. And then with the rising gas prices, all of the goods that we purchase, from groceries, clothes, everything, is delivered to the ultimate destination via truck. And of course, that is the fuel cost. So those are some concerns. So again, if you're thinking of purchasing a home, now's the time. Because interest rates are low. Remember, a 1% jump in interest rate is equivalent to a 10% increase in that home price. So I could argue that the interest rates, the price of money, is as or more important than the cost of the home. And so if you're thinking of doing that, if you're thinking of refinancing again for some home improvements or just to lower that rate, don't procrastinate anymore. Now is the time. I do these videos because I want to be your lender. And you can reach me if you have any questions. If you have questions about selling your home, buying, whatever it is, give me a call. I can be reached at 763-509-7400. You can reach me via email. My address is samiller@wintrustmortgage.com. Thanks very much, and make it a great week.